Hi Shimmers! So it's the last day of 2025 and a few hours is start of the year 2026. So first, as the usual, we're gonna have a family picture. And also the food. So here's our food for New Year celebration.
Na, ito yung kutsara nila.
Chair. Dati yung yung high chair.
Yung kutsara ninyo. Friends.
Kanina pa yan.
Na, ito yung akin dati.
Kahit na alas 7, ganun pa rin makabutin.
Why we're not going to sit anymore?
We're going to sit. We are going to...
After having a family picture, we're gonna eat.
Yan, ang gano'n. Iabot na lang. Hindi tatanggal yung iba.
Ulam.
Dati pa patungkol.
Doon. Hindi.
Yung mga... Yung pwede yung
Basta
ipaabot
kayo
na
kumuha sa mga bata.
Tapos ipapaabot na lang. Yan.
Sisindihan pa lang eh. Ano na agad?
Mag-goodbye na.
Goodbye na agad.
Patay ba ito?
Oo.
Goodbye na.
Nawala eh.
Hindi daw
Kukunin ko na po ako na.
Yan pa, tama ng nails ko.
After that, let's count down to 2026. So let's watch the fireworks. Here ends my video. Bye-bye!